Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you something you can try if you have a window that's rolling up or down slowly on your vehicle. As the vehicle gets older, sometimes you can have a window that might go up slowly or down slowly. Sometimes it's due to the weather strip. Not always, but sometimes. As the weather strip gets older, it tends to dry out. So I'll show you a way to lubricate it with some silicone spray in an effort to get that window to go up and down a little bit quicker for you. Sometimes, this may not help. You may need to take the door panel off of the vehicle and then grease the track inside. That may help it out as well. If those two things don't help it out, it may be that you just have a window motor that is getting tired and old. So you may need to replace it. But this is a quick, easy thing to try out. A can of silicone spray is only a couple dollars at the auto parts store. I think this one was like $5. So let's get rolling, and remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment. I will reply back to you. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need to do is to roll the window down that you're having an issue with. So the window on this truck is actually fine, so the results aren't going to be that dramatic, but I'll show you what to do on your vehicle that you are having an issue with. Alright, so that is down. Get some AC/DC blasting into the truck. Yeah, I'm a product of the 80s. I guess you guys may have figured that out already. Alright, let's get a closer angle here. Okay, so on this particular truck, it has a few different pieces of weather strip that surround the window area. So on the bottom here, you're going to have like a dew sweep or a door belt, some people call them. The window slides up the pillar right here and over it. It goes into this whole channel, and this is a run channel molding. Your vehicle might not have it. Like if you had an old 86 Camaro, the window might just roll up against some weather strip, and this may work on that kind of a vehicle as well. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get some silicone spray like this. This one just happens to be the blaster product. Has a little straw in there with it. So you're going to take that out, the cap off, and then you're going to want to spray, all up inside like the weather channel with your silicone spray. So you can start anywhere. There's not any rocket science to it. You can spray all in there. And just kind of keep on going. Alright, so hit the other side of your run channel. I'm gonna hit this again, back down the other side, and then you can spray the dew sweep too, because this has like some rubber fuzzy things in it, or whiskers, and spray in there. And if you get any excess silicone, it's alright, you can wipe it off with like a dry cloth. Just kind of wipe the area that got some overspray on it. It's not going to hurt anything. And it wipes up pretty easily. So it's all you really need to do. It only takes like a minute. So let's go back in and roll the window up. Like I said, the results might not be too dramatic because this one was working fine. Let's go give it a rip. Alright. Oh, my battery get too low. So you can see that the window is gliding up and down a lot easier than before I did this, and there was nothing wrong with them before, but it did help regardless. So there is a little bit of silicone spray on the window. You can wipe that up as well, the dry cloth. Just put some Windex on it. It usually just wipes clean. And just open the door, and you can get the inside as well. That's all you really need to do. Alright, so that's all you really need to do. So I hope this helps you out. It's a quick, easy thing to try. A can of silicone spray is only like a couple bucks. I think it ran me $5 today at the time that I did this video in the auto parts store. If you have any questions, leave a question and I'll reply back to you. And until next time, thanks for watching.